As you see, the chicken brown up, you can see it. So what I will do, I will transfer it now. I'll leave it a good while, about a half an hour to 3/4 hour, so it will soften up a little bit, because you have to remember it's a yardie. Hello, my name is Clyde. Welcome to the hills of Paramin, and today I would like to invite you all into my kitchen. Yeah, good day everyone, Uncle Clyde here once more, and my menu today in the kitchen is Creole Fowl Soup. A simple little soup, not too much thing, but it will come out good eventually. So what I will do is I will brown the chicken first to give it a little color, because you know when you drink any clear soup, it tends to right. When you lose a little color, you know, a little golden something. So I will brown it up a little bit, not too dark, and with my little ruku as usual. So here I go. Creole fowl, some people call it Creole fowl, some people call it yardie. I prefer call it Creole fowl.
Right, so that's like common fowl too.
Like common fowl, it's the same thing, it's the same thing, man. Yeah. And the hard fowl, it's the best. You can make chicken soup with the little chicken they have now, you know. You have to look for yardie. Okay, so now I'll add the oil to give the chicken a little browning. Not too much oil. And a little sugar, not too much. Okay, so now I'm going to go and brown my yardie. As you can see, everything seasoned up since yesterday. So we draw all the seasoning and it will taste good. Now here, I'll add a little ruku, of course. You know how it is. Uncle Clyde always like ruku. Not too much. Right there. That's about it there until it get the color, and then I will transfer it. I'll leave it soften up a little bit. Love in the house. I'll give it a little turning to see, make sure all the meat color up. So you see right here, picking up the color. Cool and fresh, no big deal. Everything going smooth. As you see, the chicken brown up, you can see it. So what I will do, I will transfer it now. I'll leave it a good while, about a half an hour to 3/4 hour, so it will soften up a little bit, because you have to remember it's a yardie. So it will take a little longer to cook, but that's a small thing. So I'll transfer it now. So you see, I have everything here now. So I'll leave it boil up a little while, and then I have all my provision here. Green fig, I have tanya, see them, from my garden. Everything here, just the potato, or these here, from my garden. And then I will add a little potato to it. And then I'll make a little dumpling, of course. You can't make soup without dumpling. Love in the house. Now I will peel all my provision, make sure everything in a gear, until I'm ready to put it in the pot. So I'll start up with the tanya. Of course, when you put tanya in soup, that's the real thing. Strong food. Otherwise, I have tanya in my garden, I cook in tanya. right through. My fig. So now I will check and see. So you see how everything boil up for a good while, soften up a little bit. So by the time the provision go and it boil up, everything will be okay. So I will just add the provision now. As I say, it's Tanya, green fig and potato. I have some carrot here, all that going in the soup. So it's bacchanal time.
How long that will take us?
This will take about a half an hour again. Yeah. So now I'll need a little flour to make some dumpling. Okay, so now I will need some flour to make some dumpling. Here, I'll add a little cornmeal. You know how things go? Not too much. Right.
That's regular flour.
Yeah. Regular flour, add cornmeal, and I put some salt already. Everything. So you just knead it up now. I need my flour now, as you could see. I'll just leave it settle a little while, and then I'll knead it again and in the pot. Okay, so now I'll check and see how the meat looking. So I could add my little dumpling. As you see, everything cooking up. Slowly but surely. So now I will add the dumpling to it. This will take about 20 minutes.